One of my students asked me, what's the best way to clean your palette, which is white, and after it's being stained, what is the best way to clean it? And I suggested the liquid from lighter. We're going to show you how this is done. Let's go. As you can see, this is quite dirty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of liquid Zippo. So we take some of these and a tissue and dry it up because water, right? And you can see even after you wipe it, there's still a bit of stain on it. So a little bit of that and let the liquid do its magic. Make sure you get good ventilation because these are, gassed, so it's not very good for your lung. As you can see, it's coming off. Yeah, not as clean as it could be, but pretty close. And if you really, really are, let it soak a little bit before you go at it. Okay. There you go.